You are on the right. And am I here to drink a coffee? No. Have you ever wondered that the color of this cup can change to this? Hello everyone, this is Smartthebillionaire. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into AI, a tool that has been changing the world, and specifically a design tool called Adobe Firefly. Let's get right into it. Adobe Firefly was launched in 2023 at the Adobe Max event, where they introduced us to a new AI world in the design industry. I was present at the meeting, not on site though, but online, and I saw them unveiling this new AI tool called Adobe Firefly. It was like a next generation thing coming alive in this generation. And today, the video is about you knowing how to use the tool. This is the interface of Firefly. As you can see, this is the interface of Firefly, and what you have to do is just type in adobefirefly.com here, and it will just send you to Google page and just link you here straight. You just have to sign in with your Gmail and you are good to go. You can use it for free, right? I have the Adobe account although, but still I'm using it for free to show you guys who are new here and who are using it for free also. So I have the Adobe account although. If you want to use the premium version, you can go in for the account, but the free, it has its limits it can generate. For the you using Adobe Creative Cloud account tool has its limit it can give you for the generation of the images and other stuffs. So this is their home, gallery favorites and everything. Join the Discord. Discord is like a community you can join. A group of designers and creative who work together. It's a community you can join. And as I told you, I've not signed in with my Creative Cloud. That's why it comes here upgrade. So if you're not signing in, this is where they come. If you sign in, you won't see this there. And this is where you get creative with Adobe Firefly. It generates the prompt as you can see the preview here. Let's go in, create with generative AI. This is coming soon. They'll release it in their next Adobe event. Generative audio and video. And this will save us video editors a lot of time, because we can generate an audio and a video without going to look for a stock video. This is crazy. This is very crazy. Generative expand. This is already old in Photoshop, but I don't know why it's new here, but it's already old in Photoshop. Generative expand I use it a lot in my design because it helps you. Maybe you have a picture you want to expand. Generative expand is there to help you. You don't need to go in for a picture with a different dimension, and it does its magic in a blink of an eye. Text to image. You just type in the prompt as it was in the preview and it will just generate you an image. Generative, you use the brush to remove object or paint and just type in the prompts like how it's previewing. You just sample it and type in the prompt and the color change. This is really serious. Welcome to the AI world, guys. Generate a template. This is done in Adobe Express. I'll do a full video about Adobe Express for you guys because Adobe Express is a really good tool. Generate a vector. Generate vector is done in Illustrator. You can use the web version of Illustrator, but the app version gives you the capabilities the web does not give you. So you can generate a vector, maybe a logo or something you want to generate. Whether it's what it has to do is it is a vector. That's all. A vector. But it hasn't flaws all those, because sometimes it can generate you. I've used it before and it has generated me vectors which I do not like. I have to just go in and change something. So it's in the process. But we have to appreciate it because it's doing a lot of work for us as designers and non-creatives also. Because if you're not a logo designer, you can generate a logo for yourself, and that's wonderful for you to hear, even if it has its flaws. Generative color, you can generate a sample of colors for your brand design. You are doing your logo design, your mockups. You can generate just click on the generative color and it then gives you a whole variety of colors at first you go in and look for colors. You go in and waste your time, like an ample of time looking for colors. But right now, time has been saved with generative color. Just click on it and it will generate you a tons of colors. Just give them the sample. You get your sample of colors. That's all. That's all. You are done for the day. And this test effect, as I said, I'll do a full video on Adobe Express for you guys. And what's the magic in Adobe Express also. So get inspired by the community. As I said, you can join the Discord community to get inspired and seeing the prompt they type so that you can type in a correct prompt, because it's a system. You have to give it a proper prompt. You get it. You can't just say any English. It won't understand. You give them a proper prompt, they give you a proper image. That's all. You don't need to go to school for this. You have to be smart. So this is the prompt, and I'll type in UI design app. Let's see the magic here. So it's generating us, it's doing the magic, he's doing it, and the reason why it's taking long is the speed of the internet. If your internet is fast, it's just a matter of seconds. So before that, let me go through some things for you guys. This is the Firefly image. This was Firefly image 2. They have updated it. At the event, it was Firefly image 2, but this is the updates. That's called Firefly image 3. And this is the dimension you can choose in for landscape, portrait, square one, widescreen. Even if you choose square one, you can even use generative expand to expand it. Simple as ABCD. So me, I don't know the essence of aspect ratio. Maybe if you want to go fast, but even if you made a mistake and choose square one, you can just expand it. That's all. And this is the content type, so you can choose art or photo. This one I've not choose one of them. That's why it gave me this. And this is good. This is good. This is good. You can see this is very good. This is very good. We are going somewhere. This is very good. Actually, it didn't give me the exact prompt I wanted to see, but these are the flaws. And I want to show you something. If you zoom in, you can see it becomes blurry. This is one of the flaws in AI right now, because it becomes blurry, and they are fixing it. So we should appreciate what this can do for us. These are the flaws. You can edit here with generative fill, or use a structure reference or a style reference. I'll be talking about that shortly, but I want you to understand something. So this was the generative expand I was talking about. Let's go. So as you can see, man, this is expand for you. This is expand for you. So this is the remove. You click the keep it, and you can use the remove to move a portion, and yeah, to remove. You can remove the background also, as you can see in the options. We did its magic and select the background. And select the background. You can remove the background, subtract. You can do whatever you like. You can insert something into the prompt. It's really nice. Let me get here and so this is the content type. You can click on art. Maybe you want something that's like in an art form, or you want a realistic photo. You can click or use the auto. This is the structure. Structure helps you to see a part called reference. So you can upload an image from your desktop for it to reference and generate the exact version for you. It's very similar. It has its flaws. It can't generate the exact, but it can do the little magic for you. And this is their style. this helps you to increase the style of the reference or the reference, like visual intensity. So if this one goes high, that means you get a higher form of, like a close form of what the reference picture you uploaded here. And this is the reference strata. So you get the strata of what you upload here, and this you get the style of what you upload here. And these are the effects you can choose: movement, themes, material, and digital art. So monochromatic, golden. These are the lighting you can choose: black lighting, and the camera angles too. You can choose any one of them you like. And you can hit generate again. It gives you a different form. A different form because of what you have added here, as you can see. This is the prompt it generated for us, and basically the prompt was UI design app auto, but since you have given it a style preference and a style reference, it will reference from there, ignoring the prompts. So take note of that. It will ignore the prompt if you give it. It's like the style reference and the structure reference are giving it is the prompt for this image I have generated. And these are the effects, as you can see: the hyper realistic, the golden, and the backlight. The backlight, as you can see here, there's a backlight too here, there's a backlight too here. Nice. So the structure, maybe you have a sketch or something you want to generate, you just upload that image and it will take that structure and it generates you what you want to see. What you want to see, as you can see, this was an O, and this is what we got. So that's it. And I want to show you, sometimes it can go wrong. So I want to just upload an image and see when it goes wrong. So I have a sketch here I've done, and I want to upload it as the structure reference, and let's see what it can generate for us. Okay, so based on the sketch, this is what I got. You get it? So it's good although, but it is in its processing mode, and yeah, they are improving it. They are trying their best. Yeah, they are trying their best, because there's something we are supposed to anticipate in 2030, 2050, but it's happening live, and we can't get all the package in one. So it was a sketch although, but this is what I got, and this is really nice. I love the picture of this girl. And as I said, if you zoom in, you can see the blur effect. You can see the quality depreciating. You get it? So that's the side effect about it. And you can get an awesome images for free version, and for paid also. You can get a whole lot of. Some things you don't have to generate from scratch. You can just come here and just. I used it a couple of times though. Yeah, I used it a couple of times though. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically it for the Adobe Firefly web app. So that's basically Adobe Firefly for you. I know at the time we were shooting this, Apple Intelligence was around, but for my experience so far, I've used Adobe Firefly, and I'm yet to try the Apple Intelligence image generator. So I will recommend this for you. So just go out and try it out. You don't need to be a designer or a creative for you to use Adobe Firefly. I've showed you all the basics and everything you can do to use Adobe Firefly for yourself. I know you are wondering, or you think I'm about to say, like and share and subscribe. Nope, I'm not saying that today, because if you know we provided new value in this video, you already have done so. See you in the next video, guys.